how long I've been waiting to shoot this vlog because it's my favorite time of the year. It's Durga Puja, and if you guys know anything about Durga Puja, then for Bengalis it's like a huge deal because it's a 5-day celebration in Delhi, but in Calcutta it's a 10-day celebration. So in Delhi we celebrate the last 5 days of Navratras as Durga Puja, and we like literally spend the whole day out on streets or on the tents celebrating it, and it's just a lot of fun. I hope I'm able to do justice to this vlog because I don't think I can express how much fun we have in just like a few minutes. You can already see I have goosebumps thinking about the fun I'm gonna have. So today is the first day of Durga Puja and I had college in the morning, but so now I'm starting with my Durga Puja, and we wear new clothes. That's rule number 1. We have a lot of food. That's rule number 2. And we have a lot of fun. That is rule number 3. So I'm heading to the first event, which is Anandamala. Anandamala is actually food festival where kids make food and then there's a competition. They decorate tables and then they sell their food. I used to do it like every single year, but because this year I had college, so I couldn't do it. But I'm heading there, so let's see what the other kids have made. So one of my favorite parts of Durga Puja is dressing up. Like, it's actually the best thing because, as I told you, we're wearing new clothes. So this is my first outfit. It's got a nice slit. It's like a jute-ish dressy kind of a thing. It's like really comfortable, and it has got these little pockets, which I'm very excited about, so I do not need to carry a bag, and I really like it. I'll be doing an outfit of the day every day of Durga Puja, so be ready. So I don't think I told you what day is it. It's actually Mahapanchami, which is the 5th day of Puja, which we celebrate as the first day in Delhi because people here are like really busy. So I'm heading there, and I think all my friends are gonna be late because of course they're always late. This is day 2 of Durga Puja, and today's look is very ethnic. Wait, I'll try to show it to you. I don't know if it's clearly visible, but it's very ethnic, and I'm wearing it with this palazzo pants. Okay, I did a weird ninja pose, but whatever. Avoid the mess, it's because of my packing. So let's get starting. Hey guys, I don't know if you can see me because it's getting a little dark. So right now I am headed to Shiv Mandir, which is where the biggest Durga Puja in Siak Park happens. I don't like to visit there on the main 3 days because it's so crowded. It's like very crowded. You cannot enter there without a pass. Like, still you have to like stand in the queue for about an hour to enter that place. So that's a nightmare. I'm headed there today because today comparatively it's a little less crowded and my school friends are coming there, so I'm meeting them also after quite a time. So let's go. And yes, today there is Ananda Mela, which, as I told you yesterday, is the food festival.
मूषिक वागन